Here's a look at this CPR Face Shield on me right here. They come in these little pouches with a keyring on them. Really nice pouches, really easy to travel with and everything. And so this is how this works. You got these little straps right here that you wrap around the person's ears. And then this piece right here, and it says right here, this side up, and it also has additional instructions on here. Like right here, you can see step number 1, step number 2, but basically you just wrap it around their ears and then you pull this piece up to their mouth right there, and then you'll blow through it on this side and air passes through into their mouth, and it's really easy to take off when you're done using it. And the air does pass through nice and easy. So saw a little CPR mask right here, come in really nice cases. I think you'll be happy with them.